Welcome to this fast tutorial that we are starting right away. We'll see how to start working with Arduino user interface and NodeMCU board. So even though many boards are compatible with the code we write, some boards may need special configuration. This is the case of NodeMCU board. For cutting short, it's basically an Arduino with Wi-Fi capabilities. So to do this, we go to File, Preference, and in additional board manager URL, we add this URL. Please check in the description. This will add the possibility of installing more board managers. So we go to Tools, Boards, Board Managers, and we search for ESP8266. I have it installed. You will have to install it the latest version. Once installed, you will have an additional ESP8266 option on boards. Then you plug your NodeMCU board into the USB and go to Select Board. Select the serial port and select NodeMCU 1.0. Then we will look for a simple example. You will see you have many examples for each board. We'll pick a very simple example for checking the compiling and the uploading process went well. Let's see Hello Server. A new window will open with the code for that example. We'll see that the port and the board are already selected. The compiling will take time. Once the program is compiled, the process will start showing the percentage of the uploaded code. It's very important to bear in mind that you have to supply the SSID and the password of your Wi-Fi router so that NodeMCU can connect to your local network. Once the uploading is finished, you will see the message hard resetting. And then you should switch to Tools, Serial Monitor to see the log from your board. We speed a little bit the things fast forward while we are compiling and uploading. But the baud rate of your serial monitor has to match the setting of your code. Unplug and plug your board and you will see appearing dots indicating the board is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. Once the board is connected, it will print its own IP address. So we are going to copy that IP address and paste it into a browser. And we will see the board is responding an HTTP message with the words hello. That means you have installed an HTTP server on the board and now is available to the local network. That's pretty much it. See you in the next tutorial.